Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. 6 main reasons why your hair can become fat. Oily hair is a common problem, known to every second girl. Washing your hair every day is not a solution. Thus, you make the skin more oily. To ensure that the hair does not so quickly become fat at the roots, you need to determine the problem, because of what you have so quickly zerniad hair. To make life easier for you, we will tell you about 6 major problems that make your hair fat. 1. Improper hair care can stimulate your skin to release more fat, leading to this fat result. This involves too frequent washing of hair using very hot water, and then drying with a hair dryer. 2. Improper use of balms and masks. Women often use these cosmetic products on roots, not just on tips, which is strongly discouraged. 3. Oily and spicy food causes an excessive function of the sebaceous glands. 4. Constant tension can also affect the normal fat release of the skin. 5. Some medicines, such as antidepressants, antibiotics and hormonal contraceptives, contribute to the fat content of the hair. 6. Various chronic diseases and imbalance of hormones stimulate the production of excess sebum. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.